Recently, a parent had asked me a question, which is better, honey or jaggery? Let us see the answer in today's video. Hi friends, I am Dr. Karamat. This is Scientific Doctor channel. In this channel, your health related queries are answered via short videos which are released every week. If you want to see such videos, subscribe to this channel, and if you have any such queries, kindly post it in the comment section. I'll try to answer them one by one in subsequent videos. This week's query is regarding which is healthier, sugar, brown sugar, jaggery or honey. First of all, we should understand the question about healthy. What do we mean by healthy? What is our goal in achieving this health? For each individual, this will vary. So, some might be a diabetic who are wanting to reduce their sugar intake, so they are asking this question. Some others might want to reduce their weight, they want to reduce overall caloric intake, so they are asking this question. Some others are worried about synthetic nature of the sugar, so they want a healthier alternative. Some others just want which is better. So we have to understand from this point and then go about discussing these things. First of all, let me be very clear. Anything which is added for inducing sweetness is sugar. So all these things are similar to sugar. Almost all of them have the same caloric density, meaning for equal amount of sugar, jaggery or brown sugar, practically even honey, it gives the same calorie value. So if you are worried about weight gain, calorie conscious, all these are similar. They are not going to help you much. So if you replace 2 teaspoons of sugar with 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of jaggery or 2 or 2.1 or 2.2 teaspoons of honey, it is the same. Honey has a little less, but when you take it in teaspoon terms, it doesn't matter at all. In fact, the problem is if you consider something as healthy, probably you will eat that more, you will end up taking it more, leading to more caloric intake. So as far as caloric density is concerned, there is no difference among all these. Then what is it there for diabetics? Even for diabetics, it is the same. So for diabetics, the total amount of sugar intake, the total intake of carbohydrates should be restricted. All this is simple carbohydrates. So anyway, you have to restrict all this. So one is not better than the other. What about a healthier alternative or for a fitness enthusiast? If you see sugar, why is it considered unhealthy? Because it contains calories. It doesn't contain any other nutrient, any other major nutrient apart from plain simple sugar. That is sucrose, which consists of glucose and fructose. So the other forms, because of the nutrients, other nutrients contained in it may be slightly superior. So for example, jaggery or brown sugar might have little more nutrients than plain sugar, because brown sugar contains molasses in it and jaggery is unrefined form of sugar. So it might have a little more minerals in it, little more iron in it. Honey, because it is produced from the honey bees, it contains little more water. Because it is available naturally, it contains some of the minerals in it. But we have to understand, for the quantity of minerals to be taken via a brown sugar, jaggery or honey, you need to take them in very high quantities, which is not advisable at all. So you can't get all the nutrients from these minerals. So for sugar, comparing sugar, yes, they contain more minerals, but for those minerals you have to take other healthier alternatives. You can't take much of honey or jaggery or brown sugar. Especially consider the cost and the purity which you are getting. So if you are getting a good source of honey, if you are getting unadulterated jaggery, yes, that is better than the equivalent amount of sugar. You can't have them more. You can't have sugar and add this to honey extra. No, you can't do that. Instead of this, you can replace them with the alternatives like jaggery or honey. Especially you have to consider the cost. If you are going to spend much on this and lose out on another healthier food, then again it is not fruitful. So what can be done? Essentially, we have to reduce the sugar intake, whether it is sugar, brown sugar, jaggery or honey. We have to reduce that. We have to reduce our sweet cravings. That's an healthier alternative. We have to eat healthy, take a balanced diet. Yes, if you can afford, if you can get a good source of unadulterated jaggery or honey, you can replace your sugar with these alternatives, but you can't go higher in quantity even if these are considered healthy. Friends, hopefully this would have answered your query. If you like this video, share it among your friends and relatives. If you want to see such videos, subscribe to this channel. Till we meet again, bye.